Recruiting DevOps is incredibly difficult in today's market. There's a shortage of developers, and there's a shortage of developers with the specific skills you need to make a good DevOps team. The benefit of DevOps is obvious. It allows fast deployment, promotes business agility, encourages automation for efficiency, and leads to the improvement of the overall build quality of your software. At the moment, we're in a time where there's a global developer shortage. Nowhere is this more true than when you're looking for DevOps. At the moment, there are simply more jobs posted than DevOps experts to hire. But if you are looking for good, top quality, skilled developers or engineers, here's what you need to look for. Good communication and collaboration skills. This is particularly important for DevOps teams. Experience working with DevOps and automation. They need to be efficient in terms of coding and efficient in terms of responding to queries. They need to have a knowledge of CI and CD, an understanding of agile methodologies, and good planning skills. Finally, they need to know the health tech and digital health space.
When you're recruiting developers, the best interview processes look like this. People and culture. This is a cultural fit interview. It focuses on the motivation of the potential employee, their thirst for learning, and their ability to think about problems critically. It enables you to understand if they're a good fit for you, and lets them see that there is a vibrant company culture that they could join. A structured technical interview enables you to benchmark your potential new employees and identify areas that they need to work on to increase their skill set. Finally, a compliance-led interview focuses on if they have a background in compliance, what their understanding is of relevant rules like HIPAA, GDPR, and CCPA, and their ability to learn new compliance rules and to work them into their development process. Why is it so hard to recruit developers? Well, we've talked about the shortage, but the reason it's so hard for software companies to recruit developers is that developers want the following. 1, they don't want to work on the same thing every day. They want to have different projects to focus on at different times. 2, they want to work with other developers just like them. They want to be part of a team. 3, they want to have access to training and access to a clear career path that takes them where they want to go. And finally, they want a safe harbor. They want to be in a safe environment where developers are key and critical to the company's success. When you look at those 4 points, you can understand why it's difficult for software companies to recruit top-notch developers today. At Vertical, we can recruit top-notch developers successfully because we can address those 4 points. Our developers can work on different projects because we have a wealth of customer work for the team to be working on. Our developers get to work with developers just like them because we've built a team across the globe. Our developers have access to training and mentoring to help them to reach their career goals. And finally, we create a safe harbor for developers, where the developers are key to the success of our business. If you'd like to hire some of our developers, simply contact us today. Thank you.